राव जी, माननीय सदानंद तनवाडे जी।
धन्यवाद स्पीकर सर। सर, I rise to speak in support of Sir, I rise to speak in support of the Jana Vishwas Amendment of Provision Bill 2023 in the August House. सर, इसके पहले मैं मेरी पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मेरे पार्टी के लीडर को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि मेरे को इस सदन में आने का और बोलने का मौका मिला। मेरे मुख्यमंत्री को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। सर, I want to extend my gratitude to our respected and honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who have been a guiding light in this journey. सर, ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा मौका मिला कि हिस्टोरिकल बिल के इस चर्चा में भाग लेने के लिए। So it is a noteworthy that this bill proposes to amend 183 provisions in 42 central acts administered by 19 departments, which covering various domains such as environment, agriculture, media, industry, trade, information technology, copyright, motor vehicles, cinematography, food safety, the Indian Postal Act, and many more, sir. Sir, as a great step to achieve ease of doing business, the bill will discriminate minor offences that do not involve any harm to the public interest or national security and replace them with the civil penalties or administrative actions. So this bill will remove imprisonment clauses and fines in some provisions and convert them into penalties in some others. So the penalties will be determined by adjudicating officers appointed by the respective departments. The bill will ensure that the offenders can settle their cases in paying certain amount without going through a court trial. So the bill will provide for a periodic provision of fines and penalties every 3 years, with an increase of 10% of the minimum amount of various offences in the specified acts, which will ensure proper enforcement and deterrence. Sir, by introducing administrative adjudication mechanism, the bill will reduce pressure on the justice, help in reducing case pendency. This bill will facilitate a more efficient and effective justice dispensation. So the bill will foster trust-based governance by ensuring citizens, businesses, and government departments operate without fear of imprisonment for minor technical or procedural defaults. Sir, especially for my state of Goa, this bill will be a game changer, as with the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, our state is emerging as a vibrant investment destination and is leading among a small states at the union in terms of ease of doing business, sir. Sir, I am thankful to the Minister, Commerce Minister. मेरे को याद है 2 महीना पहले सर हमारे मिनिस्टर गोवा में आए थे और उस टाइम ने हमें इंटेलेक्चुअल और सभी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट की बिजनेस से उनकी मीटिंग रखी थी। आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट मीटिंग, सर। मिनिस्टर ने सबसे सुना, सभी इंडस्ट्रीज जो थे उन्होंने उनको बताया कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है। सबके सुनने के बाद सभी एडिटर्स भी थे। सबके सुनने के बाद मिनिस्टर ने बोला कि जो भी आपको किसी को और भी कुछ बोलना है तो सदानंद के पास दीजिए। और 2 महीने के बाद में मैं इस राज्यसभा में पहुंचा हूं। मैं उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। सर, आई कंक्लूड माय रिमार्क्स and once again I support this Jana Vishwas Amendment of Provision Bill 2023. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Dr.